Good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Egbe, and today in my kitchen I'm going to be making scotch eggs. And the ingredients I need for my scotch eggs were the star of the day or the stars of the day, the eggs and the sausage over there, and the oil over there I'm going to be using to fry my scotch egg. I also have this spice over here that I'm going to mix with my sausage before I wrap it around my my eggs. I have this egg beat over here that I'm going to use to kind of rub my eggs after like it's inside the sausage, and the flour over there too. And I also have two different kind of breadcrumbs, and I'm gonna use the plain breadcrumbs and the panko. That one have a little more like texture and crunchiness to it, so I'm gonna kind of mix both of them together and use them. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, while the mixing is going on, you just go ahead and put your oil, like put it on the stove so it can start heating up. And I'll link a video up of how I mix my spices with my sausage. But for the spice, you can see I have a teaspoon of pepper, curry, no, a little pinch of salt over there, and thyme. And I'm gonna mix it all. And I'm gonna mix it out with my sausage over there. And you can see that my eggs, I'm gonna use about 7 eggs, and they're already boiled. So those are hard-boiled eggs. So your eggs, you can boil them medium cooked or all the way. So I boiled mine for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, you can see that I blended my sausage. I have the breadcrumbs mixed together, the panko and the plain old breadcrumbs, and I have my egg mix over there and my flour and my eggs, and I'm ready to roll. So in this stage you can put on gloves or you can use your hand. It all depends on if it's like a house food, you can use your hand, but if you're doing it for somebody or for like party, then you can just put on gloves. Okay guys, so what you do is just look for like a rubber bag, like a cellophane bag like that. So, and just cut the amount of sausage you want, cut enough that can wrap around the egg, and just keep going like that. If you want to use like a kneading thing, you can also do that, but just kind of spread it out, to be perfectly round. So just like that, and you go ahead and put your egg in the middle. So when you put your egg in the middle, you just bring the bag together and wrap it around the egg. So this will help you keep wrap the sausage around the egg and give it like that perfect ball shape. That's what egg has. So you do like that. Leave it back. And open it up. So you gotta pick it up and just go. So what you do is kind of move that outside and bring your egg. You can like dunk it inside the egg, but I'm gonna use my brush. And I like to be mindful of what's going on with it. So just wrap the egg. Whisk it around it and like put your flour like that. Basically put your flour. Keep going. And just play with it as long as it does look like a ball here. And rub another coat of egg around it again. And if you want to dump it inside the egg, that's not a good thing. As long as you stay out control of your scotch egg, that's all it matters. And you can just move it to the side and bring your breadcrumbs and just go around it. So that egg helps your breadcrumbs stick to the scotch egg, to the sausage skin. So just go. So now that it's kind of like solid, you can go and just move it like that. And bring it back up and just keep going. And make sure your oil is already on the stove at this time, so that you have time to get it. Okay guys, my oil is hot now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put a scotch egg in. I'm gonna put 2 at a time because I'm not using a very big frying pan. So I'm gonna let this fry for about 5 to 7 minutes, and I will take it off. Okay guys, this is the final video of my scotch egg, and this is a very simple recipe. It takes a few less than 30 minutes to prepare, and it's a nice snack for like parties or just something to put in the fridge for snack during the week, or you can take it to work with you. Alright, thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the red subscribe button right there and Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post any video, any of my interesting videos. And to my subscribers, thank you very much. To all those leaving likes and comments, I truly appreciate you all. And please like, share, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends. Hey, share the love around. And have a good evening. Bye bye.